So hello friends, I am Ayesha and welcome back to my channel. Today we will make a monopod which is very useful to shoot a DIY video. We will use simple things like a box, a piece of wood and a tape. So you can see here, this is double-sided clear acrylic mounting tape. This is from LLPT Tapes brand. If you want more details, you can check the description box, and if you also want to buy this product, you can check the link in description. So friends, LLPT double-sided flexible mounting tape is an industrial grade acrylic foam tape, more stable and moderate initial adhesion, which is good for permanent and reliable installation indoor and outdoor, particularly applications where extreme weather, moisture and adhesive is needed. The longer applied, the stronger the adhesive will be.